Apostle Jeremiah Aluto. He is here to appreciate Jesus for the restoration of lost spiritual gifts. He said, as God was using him, all of a sudden, he lost the gifts. And he was trusting God for restoration as he came here yesterday. And as soon as God's servant arrived, he said he started praying that God should use him and restore his gift. While he was in the crowd, the power of God left this place and touched him. All of a sudden, he realized that his spiritual gift had been restored. He went home and began to manifest. Even there had been a revival in his prayer life. And God has turned his spiritual life around. He is here to return all the glory to God for the restoration of lost spiritual gifts. Can we lift up our voices and give Jesus a shout of praise? A louder shout of praise.